Here is a quick update on what I'm calling the trio layout design. First of all, there's a haunted house now painted up. This was a Matchbox model and I've just varied it quite a lot. So on the horror section of the layout, I'm planning to have a siding going to an open grave, and then my points are where the science fiction section will be. I think that is the nicest place for those. So this is the scrapyard part of the layout, and I've just laid things out. So in this section of the layout, you've got to use your imagination. There's going to be a back scene covering all of this, so you won't see the back of the haunted house. I'm going to have some low relief buildings, and this is a sort of junkyard, scrapyard type area. So this is a rough representation of what this will look like, a sort of scrap merchant's hut and some cars, some little pieces of scrap. Got an old power generator there and some other pieces lying around. So as we move along to the engine shed area, there'll be a rusty loco going in there. Also some other rusty pieces of railway girder work and an old shell tanker there, huts, that sort of thing. On this section, once it's finished and decorated, it will of course have lots of gravel and stuff like that. The back scene, as I say, a couple more low relief buildings as you can see, and some more rusty locomotives. These I've actually purchased off eBay because other people weather a different way to me, so it would create a nice change on the layout, something a bit different, and these ones are really nicely done. I have weathered the crane and that's sitting there. I may do some more to that, and these buildings will be altered slightly. Hopefully in the end this will look quite nice once I've got it all made up and decorated.